Jai Hind to all. Myself is Dr. Rahul Kumar Pandey, Assistant Professor in AKGC in Mathematics Department. Today I am taking the topic skewness and kurtosis, which is occurs in mathematics for KS 302 for second year students. It's a very important topic in statistics and is based on the symmetry of a curve. Okay, now today's topics contents are skewness and kurtosis. Okay, now starting the topic, skewness. What is the skewness? Before starting the topic skewness, we have to understand what is a normal curve. Okay, now firstly introduce what is skewness. Skewness and kurtosis are the statistical tools to study the shape of frequency distribution and help us to determine the location of the concentration of observation. Okay, the measure the deviation of a given distribution from a standard normal distribution. Okay, so firstly I have tell that before starting skewness, we have to understand what is a normal distribution curve. And normal distribution curve, it is a continuous probability distribution, which is a very important phenomena for statistical tools. Okay, what is a normal curve? Here figure are given below. It's a बेल शेप्ड कर्व, क्योंकि बेल के टाइप का होता है, घंटी के टाइप, इसलिए बेल शेप्ड बोलते हैं इसे. ओके, दिस कर्व अकर्स मीन equal to 0 for standard normal curve. Okay, and in standard normal curve, all three parameters, all three central tendency, which is known as mean, median, mode, all are symmetrical and the values are 0. Okay, and its symmetry about y axis, जितना लेफ्ट उतना राइट दोनों बराबर होता है नॉर्मल कर्व. ओके, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन 1 होता है. And symmetrical curve, the frequencies are symmetrical, distributed about mean, and here mean, median, mode, I said before, all are equal and normal peakness, and 50% of data lie on either sides of mean, equally distributed. Okay, equally distributed, जितना left उतना right बराबर, half and half, and area of under the normal curve equal to 1. So that's why 50% left side and 50% right side. It's our normal curve. Okay. Main topic, skewness. What is the skewness? Skewness is the measure of the asymmetry of the given distribution, which means lack of symmetry when a distribution is not symmetrical. Okay, so skewness means our curve is not symmetrical, means our curve is not a normal curve. Okay, so skewness is measure of the asymmetry given distribution, which means lack of symmetry. When distribution is not symmetrical, then it may get started more to one side than to other. Symmetrical नहीं तो या तो लेफ्ट होगा तो राइट होगा. Okay, it's not a symmetrical. Means skewness is said to be positive if the longer tail or the distribution lies toward the right, and negative if it lies toward the left. Means skewness have two types, positively skewed and negatively skewed. If we draw the curve, firstly draw a normal curve. It is normal curve. Here mean equal to median equal to mode. All are symmetrical about mean. ठीक है. In standard normal curve, mean equal to 0 and variance standard deviation equal to sigma. It's a normal curve. For skewness, it's two types. It's two types. Skewness means lack of symmetry. Skewness means lack of symmetry, either towards on x, either towards on y. first one and second one. First one positive skewed, second one is negative skewed. X, Y axis. In positive skewed, the longer tail towards X axis is more other than Y. Okay, that means it's a positive X skewed. And what is the behavior of mean, median, mode in positive skewed? Just check it. In positive skewed, mean greater than median greater than mode. Okay, this one positive skewed, and second one negative skewed. What is the curve? X, Y, and curve is in negative skewed, the longer tail towards Y is more than towards X. Okay. And ratio of mean, median, mode is still mean, median, mode. So mean is greater than median is greater than mode. In negative skewed, in negative axis, we know that higher value is lesser than lesser value. Okay. That's why here also mean greater than median greater than mode. Okay. So it is a positive skewed and it is a negative skewed. From definition, ठीक है, means skewness totally based on lackness of symmetry. कमी, सिमेट्री में कितनी कमी हो वो हमारा स्क्यूनेस होता है. Characteristic of skewness. What is the characteristic of skewness? Just we take it one by one. First one, if arithmetic mean equal to mode equal to median, then there is no skewness in the distribution. If all are equals means a normal curve. Previously I said, if all are equal means normal curve. There is no skewness. In other words, the curve of the frequency distribution would be symmetrical या bell shaped, means normal curve. If mean equal to median equal to mode. Second one, for positively skewed distribution of the observation are more concentrated in the left side, that is toward lower values of the variable, while for negative skewed distribution observation are more concentrated in the right side, that is toward higher values of the variable. पॉजिटिव स्क्यूड में आपकी वैल्यू मोर टुवर्ड्स द एक्स एक्सिस होगी एंड नेगेटिव एक्सिस में मोर द वैल्यू टुवर्ड वाई एक्सिस होगी. ओके, और डेटा आल्सो वेरीज फॉर पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव एक्सिस. थर्ड वन, इफ अर्थमेटिक मीन इज लेस देन वैल्यू ऑफ मॉड देन टेल वुड बी ऑफ द लेफ्ट साइड. Okay, and distribution is negative skewed, while if arithmetic mean is greater than value of mod, the tail would be right side and distribution is positively skewed. Okay, so just one point I corrected here. Okay, मीन मीडियन मॉड, तो मीन मीडियन मॉड, ठीक है, just now measures of skewness. How to check skewness? That's mean measures of skewness. And what is the calculation for checking of the skewness? Just we decided the moment of coefficient of skewness. ठीक है? So the extent and nature of the skewness can be obtained by moment coefficient of skewness and denoted as a gamma 1. Just we know that in stats beta and gamma coefficients. Here gamma coefficients is defined for moments of the coefficient of skewness, and value is gamma 1 equal to root beta 1. Okay, root beta 1 equal to value beta 1. What is the value of beta 1? Value of beta 1 is mu 3 square upon mu 2 q. Mu 3 square upon mu 2 q. We know that from moments, and moments have three types. We know that moments about origin, moments about raw point, moments about mean, central movement. And central movement is defined as a mu r. Okay, moment about raw movement defined as mu r dash, and movement about origin defined as VR. So from moments we have to check out the value of beta 1 mu 3 square upon mu 2 q. Okay. So coefficient of skewness is gamma 1, and what is the value of gamma 1? Gamma 1 is equal to under root beta 1. So under root beta 1 means mu 3 square upon mu 2 q means mu 3 upon under root mu 2 q. Okay. Now, what is the behavior of gamma 1? Just check it. If gamma 1 greater than 0 implies positive skewness. Okay. And gamma 1 less than 0 implies negative skewness. And gamma 1 equal to 0 implies the skewness, means there is no skewness, means distribution is symmetrical, or distribution is bell shaped, or distribution is a normal curve. Okay. So just we have to check what is the skewness in our basic form to relate the problems. That's why we have to take an example. Just check it out, the example. The first four moments of a distribution about the value 5 of variable are 2, 20, 40 and 50. The first four moment. Okay, about first four moment of a distribution about the value of 5. The variables are 2, 20, 40 and 50. Calculate the moment of the coefficient of skewness. Calculate the moment of the coefficient of skewness. Okay. Firstly, we have to understand what is the problem. Okay. And previously I said what is the type of movements. I have discussed here types of movements. Movements have three types: central movement, raw movement and movement about origin. So firstly we have to check in the problem what type of movements have given, has given. So here just check out first four movement of the distribution about the value of 5. About the value of 5 means about any value, means about raw point, and it is given the form of the movements about raw point, and it denoted as mu r dash. That's why here values are mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash and mu 4 dash. First four movement he discussed means mu 1 dash equal to 2, mu 2 dash equal to 20, mu 3 dash equal to 40 and mu 4 dash equal to 50. And about the value means about any point, and about any point mentioned as any point. Just we have to given a name A, capital A equal to 5. It's a basic define what is the movements type. So here movements type is raw movement. Okay. Now but our coefficient of skewness is gamma 1, and gamma 1 is equal to root beta 1, and root beta 1 is in the form of the mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4, just one, and mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4 is the mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4 is a form of central movement. But here in the problem we have to give in raw movement. So how to convert raw movement from central movement? So it's a relation here relation between central movement to raw movement, central movement to origin movement, according to formula mu 2. We all know that mu 1 equal to 0, and here no need of mu 1, because in beta 1 formula is mu 3 and mu 2. So only we have to find mu 3 and mu 2. And mu 2, what is the formula of mu 2 in terms of raw movement? Main formula mu 2 equal to mu 2 dash mu 1 dash whole square. This is formula for central movement to raw movement. Relation between central movement to raw movement. Mu 2 equal to mu 2 dash equal minus mu 1 dash to whole square. Just put the values of given value mu 2 dash, mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash equal to 20 and mu 1 dash equal to 2. So 20 minus 2 the whole square, and remaining value 16, and this value of mu 2. So we have to find mu 2 equal to 16. Find out. Okay. Now next value mu 3, and relation between mu 3 and raw movement. Main formula mu 3 equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 1 dash mu 2 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. Okay, important formula. Relation between raw movement and central movement. Mu 3 equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 1 dash mu 2 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. Put the all values of raw movements mu 2 dash mu 3 dash, just putting all values mu 3 dash mu 2 dash and calculated all values. So here we have to find mu 3 and value of mu 3 minus 64 from relation. Okay, so we have to know and clear idea what is the formula. If we have learned formula, that's no problem. Means formula हमें याद ही रखना है, उसके अलावा कोई ऑप्शन है नहीं हमारे पास. It's a basic tool to identify what is the movements or raw movement or central movement or origin movement. So we convert each other. ठीक है, तो we have to find mu 2 mu 3, and here values are, we find out mu 2 and mu 3. Just put the values of moment of coefficient beta 1, and beta 1 is mu 3 square upon mu 2 cube. Just put the value of beta 1. तो mu 3 upon mu 2 का root of mu 2 cube means gamma 1, and gamma 1 value minus 64 upon 64, and value is minus 1. And if value is minus 1 means our curve is negative skewed. Okay, पॉजिटिव स्क्यू में पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आएगी, नेगेटिव स्क्यू में नेगेटिव वैल्यू आएगी, मींस हियर कर्व इज नेगेटिव स्क्यूड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, कर्टोसिस. Kurtosis also based on the symmetry. And what is the kurtosis? Kurtosis is the measure of deviation of the peakedness of the distribution curve from that of the normal curve. Okay, peakedness of the curve. ठीक है. What is the basic difference between skewness and kurtosis? Skewness tells about the symmetry towards y-axis. Okay, कितना एक्स एक्सिस से आगे या पीछे, ये आपका राइट एंड लेफ्ट की बात करेगा स्क्यूनेस. बट कर्टोसिस बेस्ड ऑन पीक्डनेस, कर्व की हाइट पे बात करेगा, कितना आपका ऊपर है या नीचे है. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड पीक्डनेस. ओके, तो कर्टोसिस इज द मेजर ऑफ द डेविएशन ऑफ द पीक्डनेस ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर्व फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ द नॉर्मल कर्व. मेन हमारा स्टैंडर्ड कर्व हमारा नॉर्मल कर्व है, नॉर्मल कर्व पे ही हमारी सारी बात होगी. Means focused on. It's a asymmetric curve. Both are skewness and kurtosis, and symmetry, asymmetry types of right to left, a height to bottom. Okay, so here height to bottom means peakedness, and kurtosis define the measure of deviation of the peakedness of the distribution curve from that of the normal curve. This deviation tells us whether the distribution curve is more or less flat than the normal curve. या तो फ्लैट होगा या पीक्ड होगा, तो हाइट की बात करेगा. If the distribution curve is more peaked than the normal curve, that is known as leptokurtic, and it indicates the most of the observation are clustered around the central area of the curve. Now, just we define what is the kurtosis. Firstly, it's a normal curve. Normal curve. Now, it's three type: X, Y, X, Y, X, Y. Okay. First one, second one, and third one. Okay, leptokurtic, mesokurtic, and platykurtic. Kurtosis is the measure of deviation of the peakedness. Okay, first one, if the distribution of curve is more peaked than the normal curve, more peaked than the curve, normal curve, then it is known as leptokurtic. More peaked, नॉर्मल कर्व से ज्यादा ऊंचा है तो इसको क्या कहेंगे? लेप्टोकर्टिक. ओके, and it indicates the most of the observation are clustered around the central area of the curve. Okay, second one, if the distribution is less peaked than the normal curve, then it is known as platykurtic, and here the observation are spread out in the wide area of the curve. Okay, more flat than the normal curve, it's a platykurtic. और चपटा हो गया, हाइट कम हो गई, platykurtic. It's a platykurtic. It's a leptokurtic around the normal curve. And if it is a bell shaped means mesokurtic, and mesokurtic also called normal curve. All observation based on normal curve. Normal curve. Okay. So the measure of the kurtosis, how to define kurtosis, and how to name kurtosis is noted as a beta 2. Okay. So what is the indication of the kurtosis is beta 2, and what is the indication of skewness is beta 1. Just said before, gamma 1 equal to root beta 1. And here also we have to discuss beta 2 as well as gamma 2. And what is the value of gamma 2? Beta 2 minus 3. Gamma 2 equal to beta 2 minus 3. Means skewness is defined as a gamma 1 and kurtosis is defined as a gamma 2. And gamma 2, what is the value of gamma 2? Gamma 2 value is beta 2 minus 3. It's all occur from beta and gamma coefficients. Okay? And what is the beta 2? Beta 2 equal to mu 4 upon mu 2 square. All are central movements. All are central movements. Okay, mu r. So beta 2's value is mu 4 upon mu 2 square. Now also we have discussed here leptokurtic, beta 2 greater than 3, platycurtic beta 2 less than 3, and mesocurtic beta 2 equal to 3. Okay. So beta 2 greater than 3, distribution is leptokurtic, beta 2 less than 3, distribution is platykurtic, and beta 2 equal to 3 means distribution is mesokurtic. Okay. Now, just we have discussed skewness from a single example. That's why we have to understand what is the kurtosis and how to define, how to check out symmetry in terms of kurtosis. Now, let's take an example. The first four movements of a distribution about the value 0, just point out about the value 0, okay, are minus 0.20, 1.76, minus 2.36 and 10.88 and 10.88. Find the movements about the mean and measure of the kurtosis. Find the movements about the mean and measure of the kurtosis. Okay. Here we have to take in the value of A equal to 0. It's also called central movement about origin. But A is any value. So any value we have to discuss also A in terms of the raw movement. That's no problem. Okay. Here we have just take it or raw movement or take it origin movement. That's why no problem. Okay. Because 0 is also any value. 0 is also taking any value means A equal to 0. Okay. So here mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash all are given minus 0.20, 1.76, minus 2.36 and 10.88. Mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash. So from relation we have to all know that mu1 said first central movement always 0 by definition. Okay. And mu2, what is the relation? I have discussed about, previously I discussed mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square means what is the value of mu2 dash? 1.76 and mu1 dash minus 0.20. Just put the all values of 1.76 minus of 0.20 whole square, then value is 1.72. We have find out mu2 dash equal to, sorry, mu2, not mu2 dash, mu2 1.72 and mu3, what is the formula of central movement to raw movement? Mu3 equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. Just put all values, raw central movements, raw values mu3 dash, mu2 dash, mu1 dash and find out what is the value of mu3. Just we have to put all values and calculate all values. We have to find out mu3 equal to minus 1.32. Okay. Now, last value mu4. So, we have to also know the formula, relation between central movement and raw movement. Mu1 is very easy, mu1 is 0, no problem. But we have to know all three formula mu2, mu3 and mu4. We have to all remember three formulas mu2, mu3, mu4 and mu2 equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square, mu3 equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube and mu4 equal to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash square minus 3 mu1 dash 4. Just put all raw movements mu4, mu3 dash, mu2 dash and mu1 dash. Just put all values and calculate all values. Here we have to find out mu4 equal to 9.4096 and put in the value of beta 2. And beta 2, what is the formula of beta 2? Mu4 upon mu2 square. So 3.180638. Its final value. And 3.18 means beta 2 is greater than 3. And beta 2 is greater than 3 means our curve is leptokurtic. Our curve is leptokurtic. Just check it. If beta 2 greater than 3 means our curve is leptokurtic. So, in this problem, here final value beta 2 equal to 3.18 which is more than value of 3, means our, in this problem, according to this problem, our curve is leptokurtic. So that's why it's a topic of skewness and kurtosis. Okay, thanks.